What's up, guys? This is Terrence Lewis with LewisHelp. To bid or not to bid? That is the question. We've got several bids here that we need to go over. We've got bids for contractors that want to take the whole job. We got some contractors that just want the roof. We could subcontract the pool. We could subcontract the flooring. How do you determine if you should take one contractor to bid the whole job or you should subcontract the jobs out? That coming up right now. And really, it's a very quick and precise calculation that I do. It really comes down to me, the investor, you, the individual. Do you have a lot of experience? Are you a person that has experience in this industry? Have you done any of this type of work before? Are you familiar with what it's going to take when you analyze the property? Did you determine and really understand if you needed a new roof? Did you really look at those cabinets and you thought you were going to paint them, but you look at them a little closer and they're the sticker wood? Maybe the rest of them are good, but you really didn't look at that one in the bathroom, and that one in the bathroom you have to replace. So the reason why I bring that up is because when you deal with one general contractor, time is money. And so let's say you've got guys out doing the kitchen and you have guys doing the landscaping and the roofing, but the electrician, you only had him doing one thing or the other thing, and now he finds out that the furnace is not properly installed. Well, now you've got to have a different contractor come out to do that work. Whereas when you have one general contractor, he typically has all of the trades wrapped into one. And so you're not out looking for different jobs. The other good thing about that too is that they're not waiting for you. So in an instance where you have someone else doing the tile work and then someone else doing the kitchen cabinets, well, the kitchen cabinet guys are waiting for the tile. Well, what happens in a situation like I had the other day where the water gets shut off? Well, now the whole thing's at a halt because now the tile guys can't finish the tile, and the cabinet guys can't put the cabinets in on top of the tile that's not grouted or properly installed. And so now the whole job's at a halt, versus if you had a contractor that was all in one, he may be able to go ahead and start working on the landscape, send his guys up to the roof to finish the roof repairs, let them finish the termite work that needed to be done on the outside while we wait for the water to get done. Then he'll schedule those things for you. You're a little bit less involved. So if you don't have the time to be at your property on a daily basis, you definitely want to have a general contractor that can handle the whole bid that's licensed versus subcontracting out the work to individuals. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know, what do you do? What would you prefer? Do you prefer to do it yourself, or do you prefer to have one contractor do the whole job? Leave the comments below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm more than happy to answer those questions. So basically the other piece to it is there's also work that you can do to save yourself. And so watch out for my video that I'll be explaining things that you should be doing, whether you work a job or you don't work a job, things that you could be doing at your rehab to minimize the amount of money that you pay out. Where do you get your best bang for your buck? Do you cut tile? Do you do landscaping? Do you do your own plumbing? Do you do your own painting? What are some of the trades that can save you a lot of money but would cost you a little bit of time because of those trades? Look out for that video. I'll post a link, and that way I can share that information for you guys so you can see what trades you should be doing, so that way you maximize your time and your money on your flip. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Terrence Lewis with LewisHelp. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm out.